In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get to the script editor on Google Sheets. If you've ever wanted to automate repetitive tasks, build custom functions, or connect your spreadsheet to other Google services, the script editor, officially called AppScript, is exactly where you start. I'll show you the quickest way to open it and share a few tips so you're ready to write and run code with confidence. Begin by opening the Google Sheets file you want to work with in your web browser. Make sure the sheet is active on your screen so the menu bar is visible across the top. In that menu bar, look for the Extensions option. It sits alongside familiar items like File, Edit, and View. Click Extensions, and in the drop-down that appears, select AppScript. That single click opens a new browser tab dedicated to your project's code. Give the new tab a moment to load. You're now in the AppScript editor, a cloud-based workspace tightly linked to your spreadsheet. On the left, you'll see your project files. In the center is the code editor where you'll write your scripts, and along the top are controls to save, run, and debug. The default file is usually named code.js, and you can add more files later as your project grows. Consider renaming your project at the top left so you can easily recognize it later, especially if you plan to build multiple automations. Apps. Script lets you create custom functions that work just like built-in formulas, automate tasks like formatting and data cleanup, and even record or write macros to repeat multi-step actions with a single command. It all runs in the cloud, so your code is saved online and tied to your Google account. Before you try to run anything, click the Save icon at the top, or use the keyboard shortcut your browser supports. Saving ensures your latest edits are captured, so the Run button executes the version you actually see on screen. When you do run your code for the first time, Google may ask you to review permissions. That's normal. Just read the prompts carefully and proceed if everything looks right. And that's it. To recap, open your Google Sheet, go to the Extensions menu, click AppScript, and your editor opens in a new tab where you can write, save, and run code. With that, you're ready to start automating your work and unlocking the full power of Google Sheets.